Ford dealer.
Time and sales data. Split-second stats. It's so close to the options floor. You'll bust your brain box. All on Thinkorswim. From TD Ameritrade.
The opening bell is sponsored by TD Ameritrade.
You're watching CNBC Squawk on the Street, live from the financial capital of the world. The opening bell in a little more than a minute's time. We kick off the week after the Dow's best week since April. S&P, of course, not too far from 2000. Earnings season begins tomorrow. Sun Valley later on the week. My favorite market stat of the day. The NASDAQ is still about 600 points from its record, back from the heyday of the dot-com boom. But we're back to levels that were set in the same month as that record, March of 2000, which is a little bananas when you think about that.
That's a good one, Carl.
That is.
Yeah.
Well, of course, it brings you back to just how much stocks moved in such a short period of time during that time, which lasted for years. When was the irrational exuberance comment? 96, I believe, from Chairman Greenspan. And there we are, March of 2000. I think it was March 10th, 2000, we hit that all-time high.
Yes, and then March 31st is where we are now, of 2000, back to that level. But the bear market low for the Nas, 1260. And here we are with the comp, obviously not too far from 4,500.
It also may have been March 09, I think, right?
Yeah.
March 09 was the low. S&P 500, looking at the levels, strategists say it wants to go to 2000 this summer. It's been this persistent rise, record string for the stock market.
There is the opening bell and the S&P at the top of your screen, the red filling in a little bit more than the green at the open. Down here at the big board, Jarden Corporation promoting its Coleman brand outdoor summer products.
Yes, flashlights.
Longtime friend of the show, of course. Over at the NASDAQ, the Ovarian Cancer National Alliance kicking off its conference in Washington, D.C. later on this week. A bunch of movers to get to this morning. Bank of America out with a couple of moves in retail. Downgrading Bed Bath & Beyond to an underperform, talking about risks to guidance for the quarter, traffic challenges, margin pressure, limited financial disclosure. That is the fourth worst S&P name of the year.
Yeah.
And it's interesting to see B of A throwing in the towel this late in the game. At the same time, they upgrade Williams-Sonoma to a buy from a neutral. Price target goes to 82, highlighting the company's higher-end, affluent